welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we're going to solve ICSE Maths Class 7 Mathematics. Today, Chapter 8 Algebraic Expressions Exercise 8B question number 4. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This is add. Again, some terms are given, we have to add them. So it is totally up to you in which method you want to add. See, there are two methods for adding. One is the method which we did previously, right, in which we write them vertically, basically. That is known as the column method. But friends, here we'll do another method. Alright, we have done that method in the previous question, so let us try the other one which is left, that is adding them vertically. That is by arranging the like terms, adding them, alright, and getting the answer. This we can do. Let me show you how. So this is a square minus 6ab plus 8b square. This is 1. Then we have 2a square minus 4ab plus b square. Then minus 5a square plus 3ab minus 10b square. So what we have to do is we will arrange them accordingly. First of all, this a square, so we have to look for all the terms having a square in their variable part. Alright, let us do that. So a square, and then 2a square, so this is plus 2a square. Alright, and then minus 5a square, and any other a square here? No, just this much, right? This is 1, and then we have next up we'll see for minus 6ab. The term with ab in the variable part is what we have to look for. First is this one, minus 6ab. Alright, and then we have minus 4ab, so let's do that, minus 4ab, and plus 13ab. Alright, this, then you can see next up we will have 8b square, so terms with b square in their variable part again, so this will be plus 8b square, then plus b square, and then plus minus 10b square, so minus 10b square. Alright, now we will solve the like terms first. So you can put the brackets, it is up to you, okay, but you basically add or subtract whatever these like terms. So terms with a square as the variable part will be the like terms, right? So we solve them. Then we move on to the terms with ab in the variable part. Then these will be the, and you can see then we have the b square, so terms with b square in the variable part will be like terms, right? So we just go ahead and add them. So first we have a square plus 2a square minus 5a square. So you can see a square plus 2a square will be 3a square. Alright, and minus 5a will be, we find the difference, so 5 minus 3, 2, and greater one is minus 5, so minus 2a square. Alright, here we are doing the calculations mentally. If you want to use any way to do that, you can do it, it is totally up to you, the regular one. Then we have ab terms, so minus 6ab plus minus 4ab. So this again minus 6 minus 4 we solve, right? So we add this, it becomes what? 10 minus 10 a b. Alright, and then 13ab is also here. So 13ab, if you see that we'll just add this thing. Alright, so minus 10 and plus 13 will be, we find the difference of 3, and 13 is greater, so plus 3. Alright, and then we have the b square terms. So let us solve them. We have 8b square, b square, and minus 10b square. So 8b square and b square will be 9b square, and 9 and minus 10b square, that will be minus b square. You will get 1 if you subtract 9 from 10, but we don't write 1 here, it adds no value, so simply write minus b square. This becomes our answer. Alright, let us move on to the next part. Friends, now we move on to the next part. It is x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 1. Then we have 6x cube minus 3x square plus 5x and plus 6, and then 3 plus 7x square minus 9x. Now in this also we have to see for some things, that is first one, that again we regroup the like terms. Alright, so first of all, x to the power 4 terms with x to the power 4 in their variable part, we regroup them. This one, right, sorry, this has x cube. Do we have any other term here? No, so just x to the power 4. Then we move on to the next one, it is plus 2x cube. So terms with x cube in their variable part, we'll find. This one has plus 6x cube, and any other term has it? No. So just these two terms. Alright. Then next we have square. So this is minus 3x square and this plus 7x square. Alright. So we have to arrange them in the order of their degree. So descending or ascending, up to you. We mostly use descending only. So now you can see what else we have. This one we have minus 2x, alright, plus 5x, and any other x? No. Sorry, this one also minus 9x. Alright, this much we have written. Now what we'll do is, you can see some numbers are also given to us, so we'll write that down as well. Here we have minus 1. Okay, here we have plus 6, and then here we have 3. So plus 3. This big our addition is going to be, alright. So x to the power 4 will be as it is, nothing to change in this. And plus you can see that 2x cube plus 6x cube will be 8x cube. So we write this thing down, 8x cube. Then you can see minus 3x square and plus 7x square. So we find the difference. So 4x square, and which sign will we put? So plus. Why? Because 7 is greater. So plus 4x square. And next we have minus 2x plus 5x again. So this will be, we'll find the difference. So 3x, and minus plus will be greater one is 5. So we put a plus sign here. Alright, plus 3x. Then we have this minus 9x. So we'll also do that. Don't forget that. Okay, so this will be minus 9x and plus 3x will be, we find their difference, so that is 6. So 6 here, and greater is minus 9, so minus 6x. Don't forget any term, otherwise answer will be wrong. And then we have minus 1 plus 6 plus 3. Plus 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. So we just write that down, plus 8. This becomes our answer. X to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 4x square minus 6x plus 8. This is our answer. Let's move on to the next part. The next part, it is 9x square plus 8x square minus 4, 11 minus 4x plus 3x square minus 3x plus 4 minus 4x square. Now you see in this, again we rearrange the terms with the variable part of them, that is x square, x, and just simple numbers with no variables in them, right? So first of all, the terms with x square in them. First is 9x square, then plus 3x square, this we have here, alright, and minus 4x square in the last. Alright, this, now we have 8x, the terms with x in their variable part. So first one is plus 8x, alright, and second is minus 4x, then we have minus 3x, right? This, and any other terms? No. Next we have terms basically which have no variable in them. So first is minus 4 with no variable in it, then plus 11, and then this in last plus 9. Alright, now we have written them, or you can say rearranged them in order of their decreasing degree, and the like terms are written here. Now we have to simply solve them. So you see here, 9x square plus 3x square will be 12x square,
and minus 4x square will be 8x square. Then plus 8x minus 4x, 8x minus 4x is 4x, and 4x minus 3x will be just 1x, or simply we say it as x. Alright, and which sign will we put here? We will put a plus sign. So plus and x, just simple x. Alright, then the numerical values we have to also solve these. 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 minus 4 is 16, so plus 16, this becomes our answer. Alright, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.